Hi guys, today I'm showing this project, steel structure work and exterior footers, foundation here, exterior foundation. As you can see here, that's exterior foundation. That will be in the future, that will be the entrance to the building. So here you can see they poured concrete and anchor bolts. That's the surveying board, line up, straight line. And you can see in this project they installed the steel structure, the columns and the girts all the way around the building before they pour concrete for interior slab. And here you can see the job site is like gravel and dry dirt. There is no asphalt binder or all finished work. And here you can see anchor bolt for exterior walls, rebar, vertical rebar for mason work. Same thing here, you can see different elevation. That anchor bolt on the surveying board. You can see surveying work done, rebar for mason work. And you can see the vertical columns with the horizontal girts. It's installed, tie together the steel structure, make it stronger. That's the exterior walls will be for the entrance to the building in the future. That is the 6 inches water riser pipe. That is the 2 inches water line. You can see here they poured concrete for pier boxes and then started to erect the steel structure. And before they pour the concrete to the slab, turn down slab, that is the Z bar, at the exterior footing. So later, after they will erect the building, they can pour concrete for interior slab. So with that way, the heavy equipment like this large crane and forklift and man lift will not affect the concrete slab, because you can see how it is set on the ground, moving inside. So that's the smart way to do this work, to erect the building before pour concrete. You can see everything inside the building ready to erect and install. You can see a lot of equipment inside, heavy. And here, that you can see here, that's the rebar and the water stop. Water stop here, you can see it, white color. There later there's a concrete wall will be here. Same thing there. And as I said, you can see they didn't pour concrete for interior slab. That's the steel structure part. Over there another rebars for mason work. Same thing here. Yeah. And here you can see pier boxes. That's the V rebar to tie it with the slab. Same thing over there, everywhere. Each pier boxes have the V bar or V dowel. So, and that will be here at the back, side by side pier boxes, anchor bolt, long anchor bolt welded at the bottom. That's the best way. You can see center line up with the other one. With the other one, you can see everything according to center line, run string between those pier boxes. You can see here the shape. That's the shape for the exterior pier boxes, and that's the shape for the corner. You can see that's the standard. Look how it's supposed to be, like this. Okay guys, Thank you guys, be careful. Thank you.